What's going on, guys? Alex here and welcome to Monster Motors. So today we are not in the S15 as it's currently at home with a fucked coilover, but I've already ordered new coilovers, so that's going to be done as soon as that arrives. But today has been a day that has been long anticipated. We are finally going to be revealing one of the new cars to the channel. So my mate Alex, he's just, well, not just, bought a Supra back in September. I've already done a fair bit of work to it. So we've just popped down to Hidden Performance now to pick it up. And we're gonna just go over it, a little bit of what's been done. But I think it is one of the cleanest Supras in the UK. So hopefully we can get it up on the lift, just to get a look underneath to see what they've done last time. And it's just had a little bit more work done to it. So let's not hang about, get inside and get to the content. Supra. Unfortunately we couldn't get it up in the air over there, but I've got all the photos that the Hidden Performance took of the whole sort of strip down for the underside, so I'm probably going to overlay them over this bit. But I've also got the list of all the work carried out, so just to give you an idea of what has been done to this. It's completely been stripped underneath, everything's taken out, gearbox, engine, the lot. Removed all of the existing underseal, which it was done quite badly. Basically, the previous owner, what he'd done is just undersealed straight over any rust and all sorts, so it just kind of was just pretty pointless, really. So they've removed all the rust from underneath, treated everything, all seams sealed, everything's all done perfectly. Then they've re-undersealed it completely with denitrile shots and epoxy layers. So if you know about undersealing, you probably know what that means. The components underneath, some were replaced with new stuff, other stuff was completely restored by hand and powder coating, so it all looks pretty amazing. Poly bushes replaced, bolts are all zinc coated or replaced, all the brake lines have been restored and all that. All the fluids have been serviced, so the underside is absolutely mint. So that's what I was saying about it's probably one of the cleanest Supras in the UK, because it's underneath is as if it's just come straight out of factory, and well, even better than straight out of factory. So we might be able to jack it up later so we can just have a quick look underneath, although the car has been sort of driving around for a little bit now, so it is a bit dirty, but it will still give you a rough idea of sort of how clean it is. Then there's also been decats, boost controller, uprated fuel pump, and a full 4-inch titanium exhaust, which does look amazing and sounds pretty awesome too. So today what we're going to be doing to it is we're probably going to be doing a sun strip with the Supra on it. We're going to be tinting the front lights, just giving it a light tint. We've got some replacement LED front indicators which we're going to not replace today, but we'll replace them shortly. But we're going to be tinting them with a dark tint, just so that it just sort of gives it that stealth look. And I'm sure we've probably got a few other things that I've forgotten about, but you'll probably see quite shortly. So yeah, let's get started, I guess. Right, so we're going to start with the light tint. So basically I'm just going to do like a before and after on this, as I'm going to do sort of a how to tint lights guide as a separate video. So this is the before, and with a snap of our fingers, and there we go. That is the light tinted. So if we go back a little bit, you can see the difference between the two lights. So I've only done the light tint on this rather than the dark, as the dark you sort of lose a fair amount of visibility at night time with your standard bulbs. You can always upgrade to like HIDs and whatnot in the future to sort of get more light through, but for standard lights I always recommend the light tint and then the darker tint on the rears. But I think we're going to leave the rears as they are on this, as he's got the LED lights, custom made ones by a guy off of Instagram, Supra LED tail lights I think his name is, and he's done a fantastic job. They look amazing, so we'll have a look at them afterwards, but I don't think we're going to tint them as there's no real need. So I'm just going to tint this light, and then that's the light tints done, and we can move on to the next job. Alright, so now that's both the lights tinted and eyebrows done as well. Just sort of makes it look a little bit meaner. And sun strip done with the obligatory Supra logo done in the gold to match the gold wheels. So that's about it for today. I'm gonna tint the indicators, well these ones here, the LED ones, but we won't fit them until next time, so you're gonna have to subscribe to make sure that you see that next video. But yeah, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and drop the video a like, and if you want to see more Supra content, let me know down in the comments box. Cheers guys.